Welcome, my friend. Before we begin, take a deep breath and get ready to travel with me on a little journey. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine yourself walking through a busy train station. The air is filled with footsteps, announcements echoing from every corner, and people calling each other's names. Everyone is rushing somewhere. Some are smiling, some look tired, and some are lost in their own thoughts. Suddenly, you notice a young boy standing all alone with a tiny suitcase in his hand. His eyes look worried. You walk up to him and gently ask, "Are you okay?" He whispers, "I lost my parents in the crowd." In that moment, your heart softens. A thought comes, should you just walk away, or should you stop and help? You choose kindness. Together, you start searching for his parents. You both walk past the food stalls, the ticket counters, the waiting areas. The boy keeps describing, "My mother is wearing a red sari. My father is in a white shirt." The crowd feels endless, but you keep going. Finally, after almost an hour, you hear someone cry his name. A woman in a red sari, running with tears streaming down her face. The boy shouts, "Mama!" He runs and hugs her so tightly, never wanting to let go. His father catches up, his eyes full of relief. And in that moment, you realize, you didn't just help a boy. You reunited a family. And that's the real lesson. You see, in life, we often think our little actions don't matter. But they do. Sometimes, a single act of kindness can change someone's entire story. And one day, when you need it most, that kindness might return to you in the most unexpected way. So, here's my invitation to you, next time you get a chance to help, don't hesitate. Be the reason for someone's smile. Because kindness is a gift that always finds its way back. Speaking practice, repeat after me. Now it's your turn. I will read one sentence, and you will repeat after me. Let me take you on a little journey. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself walking through a busy train station. The air is filled with the sound of footsteps, announcements, and people calling each other's names. Everyone seems to be in a hurry. Some are smiling, some are tired, some are lost in their own thoughts. Suddenly, you notice a young boy standing alone with a small suitcase. He looks worried. You walk up to him and ask, "Are you okay?" He replies softly, "I lost my parents in the crowd." Your heart melts. For a second, you think, should you help him, or should you just continue with your own journey? You decide to help. Together, you start searching. You both walk past shops, food stalls, and waiting areas. The boy keeps describing his parents. "My mother is wearing a red sari. My father is wearing a white shirt." You keep looking, but it feels impossible in such a huge crowd. Finally, after almost an hour, you hear someone shouting the boy's name. It's his mother, running towards him with tears in her eyes. The boy runs and hugs her tightly. In that moment, you feel something powerful. You didn't just help a boy, you reunited a family. Now here's the real lesson. In life, we often think our small actions don't matter. But sometimes, a single kind act can change someone's entire story. And maybe, one day, that kindness will come back to you when you need it most. Excellent work clapping hands today, you practiced both listening and speaking in English. Now tell me in the comments, if you were in the train station, would you stop to help the boy, or continue your journey? See you in the next practice session. Bye bye.